Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how I made these beautiful fabric flowers and decorated a simple headband. Fold the stripes several times. Each fold is around 3.5 centimeters. Make a curved cut to imitate flower petals. If you fabric frays a lot, you can burn the edges. The first 4 petals I will make smaller. And then I will start to form a flower. At the beginning, I will fix the fabric in place with a thread and a needle. I just fold the fabric randomly and see if I like it. My headband was very slim, so I decided to attach small stripes to the flowers and then wrap them around the headband. Let the glue dry completely before attaching to the band. In the center of the headband, the flowers are a bit bigger. It is not the prettiest solution, but it worked for my purpose to complete the look with the new dress and take pictures. If you liked my video, let me know by hitting the like button. I also appreciate if you share this video with your family and friends who enjoy DIY projects. See you soon!